Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the feature works reliably. First, make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and note the model. Older models may not support back tap. Once confirmed, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch. This is where back tap lives. Make sure your passcode and any required security are set because some actions need authentication. Now tap back tap to view double tap and triple tap options, and get ready to assign the action you want. You're ready to assign a gesture to an action. This is the core step. Tap double tap or triple tap and scan the list. System actions like home or screenshot, accessibility shortcuts, or pick a shortcut you've created. Choose an action that matches how you hold and use the phone. Simpler actions are more reliable. After selection, close settings and test by tapping the back with a quick double or triple motion. If it misses, repeat selection and practice timing until it consistently triggers. Finish by validating back tap in real scenarios and fine-tuning your workflow. Use the phone naturally and try both double and triple taps. If one is unreliable, switch to the other or select a simpler action. If taps stop responding, restart the iPhone and confirm you're on the latest iOS. Software bugs are often fixed by updates. As a last resort, reset accessibility settings or reach out to Apple support. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves persistent detection or configuration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.